Here's another beautiful radio from the 1950s, I believe. Everything I could find about it on the internet shows it's from the 50s. It's an Admiral. It's a wooden cabinet. I didn't plug it in about 30 years. If I ever did, I don't know. I'm going to plug it in right now for you. What do you think's going to happen? This is a tube radio. AM, FM. Plug it in right now. It's plugged in. Let's see. Off, on, volume. Alright. Let the tubes warm up a little bit. Give it a chance. The stereo speakers? I don't know. Pretty neat for the 50s. Okay. It might not even work. Let's see. Oh, I hear something. Yeah, listen. This one has a phono input too. You can put a record player into it. That's pretty advanced for 50s, 60s, or whatever it is. FM? AM? Alright, we got AM. Let's see. It works! I love these old radios. There's not much on AM, but...
Saying what we did.
Yeah, what we did. It's working. Let's try some FM. Is FM and AFC? FM? Huh, what's up with FM? Tone has a tone control? No FM? Use the antenna or something. Let's see. Look at this. Oh, yeah, FM antenna terminal. See? I don't have an antenna nearby, but it'll probably work. We know AM works, so we know the radio works.
Hey, low, he only dropped to 1 under.
Should I open it up? Should I unplug it? You think I have a screwdriver to fit that? I think so. There's some Phillips screws on the back. Phillips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Think there's 2 speakers in there? What kind of screwdriver is that? There we go. Screws are dry rotted, I tell ya. That's not a good screwdriver either. Come on. There we go. Gotta have the right tool. You think it would be the small screwdriver. Not today. Chubby stubby. Okay, look at this. Remove line cord antenna clip from under screw when connecting external FM antenna leads. Do not connect ground wire to the set. Oh, okay. I bet you that was never used. And there's the phono input. Isn't that cool? Admiral Corporation, Chicago, Illinois, Japan. To service tubes, disconnect line cord from wall outlet. I did that. Remove 6 large Phillips screws. They weren't large, were they? I'm going to open it up. You ready? Maybe. What? You broke it. Oh yeah, I should have unhooked that. I'm going to peek in here like I did last week. Look. Whoa, there's money in there. Oh, I can't even count how many tubes. There's 2 speakers. There we go. There's 2 speakers in there. Can you see? 1, 2. Stereo way back then. And here's an AM antenna. How many tubes can I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I hooked the power there. So that's nice, isn't it? Alright, there's no secret messages in there or anything. Plug that back in. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I have a lot more radios down here, and I'm going to show them to you because I love them. You love them too. See ya. Have a good day.